Okay, so for most of this video, my mic is very, very low. I fixed it on later in the video, I think. I don't know why. But also in the video, my internet is really bad, so I'm lagging in most of these clips. But other than that, enjoy.
Target down. I'm going home.
I'm just vibing.
Move, Phoenix!
One enemy
What did
remaining.
that sage just do?
I'll send.
Phoenix, if you can't tell, I am kidding. I am making the funny hoo-ha joke.
The one that makes you laugh.
What'd you say?
Oh, nothing.
Dad?
Stole my kill, corruption.
One.
That's
Is
what
that what
I thought. That's what I thought you were talking about earlier.
Dude, my girlfriend's dad.
Scanning ahead. Careful now.
My girlfriend's dad.
Oh, yeah, I remember. Yeah.
It works.
I thought you were talking about, like, earlier, like a different game earlier. That was Silva.
That Vandal has no bullets.
One enemy remaining.
Grab another gun.
I'm out of here.
Come on, let's go. Reloading. Someone's A.
Goodbye. Go.
Nice. Careful!
My God!
One enemy remaining.
Yeah. It's no. It's right. Dude.
One enemy remaining. Spike down.
I'm
B.
literally the main character.
Cutting their vision. Face your fear. Spike planted. Last player standing.
Okay, they didn't operate it in the chamber alt. Yeah, what she said.
I literally jumped, pointed, and shot. By the time my brain processed that I shot, I was dead. Like, I don't even know anymore. Wait, what the happened? How are they suddenly good?
Did you
It's
seriously
fine, I
just
know
say
him.
those
I can
words?
make fun of him.
Target spotted. Without a star,
66 Gecko.
Reloading.
What does that
That'd be classic, bro.
Careful, they're hiding around the corner, Omen. Around the brick wall.
Oh, we're there.
We bring the boom.
Spike down.
Guys, I
That's
got my
what we-
assist. It did not look like you hit any of those shots.
Enemy spotted.
How did you get my Ares, corruption?
Need more Astra stars.
Do y'all want to rotate or stick it?
One
Stick
enemy
it like I
remaining.
stuck it in his mom. Stick it, quick.
Can someone mark someone?
I'm planking.
You guys can.
I am the one who flanked.
I'm the one flanking.
Yeah, you can have fun with that.
Rain it on your right, rain it on your right.
Who's right?
Do y'all want me to hit that?
One's coming up to you, Owen.
Watch see long.
I have a. Oh, no, there. Careful. They tricked my sensor. Long way, me.
Boom!
Good shot. Good shot.
I can't with Odin.
Good job. See, Ash, I told you.
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
That's a girl. I got it.
Spike is down. Spike down. B.
I only lost because my shield, bro.
See the barrel of his gun. You see?
Aren't with the boys.
Playing Valorant with the boys.
Hey, they're gonna be flanking us, corruption. Gotta be careful.
I can't even respond to the text in the snap. I just have to.
Spike planted. Target spotted A. Power up.
I got this.
I like how we all tried to go for it.
Drop in a smoke.
I don't really want to peek. I don't really want to peek.
Target spotted. Spike.
Don't shoot that, Clove.
Spike down A.
I have the spike.
Show
Behind,
restraint.
behind.
Holy sh!
Oh, I'm guessing you're Tennessee because there's no you're in Illinois server.
Oh yeah, he's smart.
Yeah.
It's a part of
Docs.
different states.
Do it,
60 on
curve.
Gecko.
Do it, curve.
Loaded it at the same time. Fucking frenzy.
There.
Guys, I'm not A.
One enemy remaining.
Oh shit!
Reloading.
Time to
Spike
jump.
dropped.
Is woman? I don't know.
I got
Am I off?
Oh, right at 120.
I don't know. I don't know.
enemy.
My face.
Oh, wait, drop me spike. Drop me spike. Drop me spike. Drop me spike.
Just like woman.
Our spike carrier is killed.
Spike down A.
Go to B, go to B. I
One
might B.
enemy remaining.
I rotated to B.
Okay.
Through.
I don't have
Crap.
unless I get 2 kills and it's all point.
Enemy spotted A.
I can.
Our spike carrier is killed.
Spike down A.
You.
No, I was so close.
Point.
Yeah, OPD.
Teleport.
I can get all.
Spike planted. Watch this. My ult's ready. Barrier.
Holy sh!
Pushing B.
I see him, I see him.
No!
No!
I'll get him for you. Where she's at.
I thought you were trying to say Euro.
No.
You're welcome.
Outrun me.
Speaking of Euro, what the is your
This is the best team and enemy team, bro. I ain't never had such a good conversation with an enemy team.
Hey, usually he's cursing.
Okay, I can talk now.
And
Holy
Top fragging. On their team. Oh, you guys said you use the Valorant tracker, right?
yeah.
Which one do you guys use?
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
No, I have to reload! I'm
Or is on 5
Little
HP.
man. Blow him up, Mosh. Enemy B. Right there.
Last player standing.
You got this.
One enemy remaining.
In fact, okay, well, you know where the Viper's at.
I love my aim.
Should get aim labs.
I should.
Reloading.
I'm God. Just remember that,
Planted.
kids.
I just shot through Ray. Dude, I feel so cool. The jet one of my skin made me happy. I felt like I was someone.
Oh my god!
Enemy spotted.
Broke a shield. We died.
Holy! That was crazy.
One enemy.
We're hard pushing A. Through gate. Hey, why do we have a classic?
Enemy spotted A.
Spike planted.
I'm watching that Clove because. Holy! I'm insane. Fuck you, fake.